For thousands of years, the church has gathered together to celebrate the risen Christ. And the pinnacle of that celebration is what we do on Sunday mornings. On Sunday mornings, we gather together to worship Him through song, to worship Him through the reading of God's Word, and to worship Him through the preaching of that Word. The basis of our community is the cross. It is Jesus Christ. And so as we gather together and enjoy the fellowship that we have in Him, we are desiring to worship Him as His name is due. Join us every Sunday at 10:30 for the worship service that takes place here at Spring Creek Bible Church.